So we're just out here at Gourmet Herbs, just out at Wilberforce, 1 hour away from Sydney Markets. We've brought out some friends here for a day out. Been a lot of good fun conversations in the van, bit of banter. Also just a tour for inside Gourmet Herbs, I'll call it. Lady Jane over there in the blue, she's explaining to the chefs what the procedure is, growing the edible flowers, what goes on behind the scenes. It's a great day, the weather's fantastic. Everyone's having a good time. So yeah, thanks guys, enjoy the show.